Hello, and welcome to another Trash to Treasure, Christmas edition. I'm starting out with this cardboard box that used to house nails in it, like something that you'd put into concrete or wood. But any cardboard box would work. Just make sure it's the length that you want it to be already, or cut it down. Next, I'm going to be using a permanent marker to map out the outline of where each house is going to be, and on the least pretty side. Making a few mistakes along the way is usual, obviously because it's my video. And then cut that out. You could put this on a mantle, or as I am, putting it on the inside of my window to be seen by the public. To do the actual cutting though, I'm basically using an X-Acto knife to score the edges as best as possible, and then if needed, scissors to go over the cut. Otherwise, just my hands to break the cardboard apart from the other piece. This box happened to have staples in it, which I learned fairly quickly that I had to work around versus through. The hole can't go in it, can't go over it, can't go through it situation, though I had not tried to be a hero and take on more than I could chew. Get it? Because gingerbread reference. Anyways, I digress. I would have just planned out the house around it a little bit better, but here we are. Like I said, everyone makes mistakes. We also lost a few good men along the way, which was sad. Damn it. But once I had all of my base shapes cut out, I came back in with that marker and started on the internal shapes process, i.e. the windows and the doors that will eventually have light beaming through them. Then again, with my X-Acto knife and scissors, I'm going to be removing the inner pieces, the doors and windows, and finally the paint job, which is simply just some white acrylic paint on a few different detailing brushes. As well as a ruler to make the inner line between each house as straight as possible. Decorating these, the world is your oyster, whatever that means. You can mess around with the rooms, the gardens, the fences, windows, drapes, garlands, hanging decorations, whatever. It can be left like this, but to add a frost effect as if it was cold outside, and the inside of your gingerbread house is warm, I've added some parchment paper, or wax paper, or tracing paper. Any of those will work the same, and glue them to the back side of the cardboard yet again.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree.
You can tape this or pin this anywhere you'd like it to be, but if you do want it to be self-standing, just use the flaps at the end that should be on any cardboard box and push those up, and then it'll be self-standing. If you want to add a little bit more support, you can take excess cardboard and put it on the sides, and then again, glue it between the pieces of cardboard. And again, you can put this on your mantle or a window to display, which if you're using color LEDs looks even more cool, just like the coolest. But that is it for today's video. I do hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.